On this episode of Celebrity Download, where the boss never sleeps, Cardi B hot shots to kick off her 33rd birthday. Another day, another dollar for Cardi B, but let's be honest, she's counting more commas than most of us see in a year. Today, though, it's not about the bag, it's all about the birthday and the heat she dropped to celebrate turning 33. From neon swimsuits to high fashion glam, Cardi didn't just step into her birthday, she danced into it like a queen on her own red carpet. The pictures? Let's just say the timeline is still recovering. And just when you think she might slow down, she turns up the temperature. Again. I mean, Cardi's birthday photos could power a small city at this point. So, whether you call it too hot or just iconic, one thing's clear. Cardi B's still running the show, one sleigh at a time. And that is the end on Celebrity Download for Moe, only on Buzz Legit. I'm AY Mick. See you next time.